Hello, it's Stacy Glow. Today I will show you how to make the Imagine Dragons makeup look. First, I will put the concealer on my eyes as a base.
First, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things.
Now, I will use NYX Silver Liquid Shadows. I cover the whole eyelid with them.
Second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master.
Next, I take a white pencil, I put it on the lower eyelid of the outer corner of the eye, drawing such a wink. Imagine Dragons is a famous American indie rock band. The single It's Time is the first one that made them popular, becoming twice platinum in the United States and in many other countries of the world. Then the band released the first studio album, Night Visions. Their another hit, Radioactive, became the biggest rock hit of 2013. The band won music nominations many times and even received one Grammy and one World Music Awards. I will tell you in few minutes what was later and what they are known for, because I need to continue my makeup.
Third things first, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dove.
I need to put concealer on the cheeks. I pay special attention to the area under my eyes.
Soaking in the crowd, living my brain up in the cloud.
And now, an interesting element. I take the silver shadows and draw a silver strip on my cheek. I use a brush for this. I must get a long wing from the lower fold of the eyelid to the middle of the cheek. Now I correct it with the concealer. By the way, do you know how the band's name came from? In fact, nobody imagined dragons when creating the name. It's just the transposed letters in the phrase "raged insomnia" that gave it a new meaning. By the way, such literary phenomenon is called an anagram. And why it is rage insomnia, I think only the performers themselves know about it.
Future, the blood in my veins, oh ooh, the blood in my veins, oh ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down.
Next, I draw another strip with a different color. This time, I'll use red shadows. Then, I draw the same strip in orange, blue, green and violet colors, one by one. Shadows of the appropriate shades will help me with this. I do makeup in the style of cover of their Evolve album. This light flux of colored rays on the cover reminds me of the progress of development, evolutions, what the album's name tells about. Moreover, the name of hits such as Believer, Thunder, whatever it takes, show the direct connection between a human and the high power of God. It depends on what in the essence from each person. But as for me, they illustrate it very well in the cover. But unfortunately, I don't know what the member of the band actually threw and what they mean when creating the cover. It's just my guess.
That I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea, oh ooh, the master of my sea, oh ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that looked at me.
And of course, I paint white letter E at one eye in honor of Imagine Dragons album. By the way, in the album name, this letter is written in a mirror reflection. It's original, very original. Imagine Dragons could interest their fans not only in music but also with their intrigue. In particular, in one of the tours, they said they would go to a little creative vacation, and the vocalist even said that they would record The second album only if everyone has not died at the age of 27. This is because the performers always write their songs during the trips. At least, the second album, Smoke Plus Mirrors, was released. Imagine Dragons announced the release of the legendary Evolve album, which saw the world in June 2017.
They were drowned, but they never did ever live. Info and inhibited, limited till it broke open.
Now I put mascara on my eyelashes. I will apply powder to add a matte shade to the skin. That's all. Now I will paint my lips with dark blue matte lipstick to make an effect. By the way, this shade of NYX's lipstick is called Stone Fox. It's original and can be remembered like Imagine Dragons.
Last things last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh.
I look cool enough, but it is enough for the concert? Of course, yes! And I have some strange abilities. Let's go for the concert with me.
Break me down and build me up, believer, believer. Tame, let the bullets fly, let them ring.
Well, today we did the Imagine Dragons makeup look. I wish you a good musical day and mood. See you next time. Bye.